penser.
means to think. In this video, we will learn the verb to think in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I think.
Je pense.
You think, informal way.
Tu penses.
He thinks, masculine.
Il pense.
She thinks, feminine.
Elle pense.
We think, or one thinks, informal way.
On pense.
We think, formal way.
Nous pensons.
You think, formal way.
Vous pensez.
They think, group of males or mixed people.
Il pense.
They think, group of only females.
Elle pense.
This French verb refers to the mental process of forming opinions, contemplating, or considering thoughts. It is a versatile verb, used to express the act of reflecting, pondering, or having thoughts about various subjects or ideas. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I think of you.
Je pense à toi. Je pense à toi.
You think it's easy.
Tu penses que c'est facile. Tu penses que c'est facile.
He thinks about his work.
Il pense à son travail. Il pense à son travail.
She thinks about vacations.
Elle pense aux vacances. Elle pense aux vacances.
We think it's possible.
On pense que c'est possible. On pense que c'est possible.
We think about our friends.
Nous pensons à nos amis. Nous pensons à nos amis.
You think about your projects.
Vous pensez à vos projets. Vous pensez à vos projets.
They think about tomorrow.
Il pense à demain. Il pense à demain.
They think about classes.
Elle pense aux cours. Elle pense aux cours.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I think.
Je pense.
You think.
Tu penses.
He thinks.
Il pense.
She thinks.
Elle pense.
We think, or one thinks.
On pense.
We think.
Nous pensons.
You think.
Vous pensez.
They think.
Il pense.
They think.
Elle pense.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.